There are many deadly diseases in the world. Some attack the lungs, some attack the blood, some attack the immune system. But there is one disease that has terrified humanity for thousands of years. A disease so feared that ancient civilizations believed its victims were cursed. A disease with one of the highest fatality rates ever recorded. Rabies, a virus that begins with something as simple as a bite and ends with a devastating attack on the human brain. Tonight, we follow the virus step by step, from the moment it enters the body to the terrifying symptoms that made it one of history's most feared diseases. This is what rabies actually does. It often begins in silence. A dog, a bat, a fox, a raccoon, an animal that may appear completely normal. One bite, one scratch, one brief encounter. The rabies virus lives within the saliva of infected animals. When that saliva enters a wound, the virus gains access to the body. At this stage, the victim usually feels nothing unusual. No warning, no obvious signs. The danger remains completely hidden. Unlike many viruses, rabies does not immediately spread through the bloodstream. Instead, it follows a far stranger path. It moves through nearby muscle tissue. Then, it searches for nerves. Once it reaches the nervous system, the virus begins a slow and deliberate journey toward the brain. Day after day, week after week, sometimes month after month, the infected person often continues living a completely normal life. They may never suspect anything is wrong. Yet inside their body, the virus is steadily advancing, protected from many of the body's normal defenses, traveling through the very system that controls human thought, movement, and consciousness. Eventually, the first symptoms appear. At first, they seem harmless: a mild fever, fatigue, headache, general discomfort, symptoms that resemble countless common illnesses. But then, something unusual begins to happen. The location of the original bite may start to tingle, burn, itch, or become painful again, even if the wound healed long ago. This strange sensation is often one of the earliest signs that the virus is approaching the brain, and once the brain becomes infected, the rabies virus reaches the brain and begins causing severe inflammation. Doctors call this encephalitis. The brain starts to malfunction. Anxiety increases, sleep becomes difficult, confusion appears, emotions become unpredictable. Victims may experience intense fear without understanding why. Family members often notice sudden personality changes. Someone who seemed healthy days earlier may suddenly appear frightened, agitated, or detached from reality. The virus is no longer hiding. It is now attacking the very organ that defines who we are. Perhaps the most famous symptom of rabies is hydrophobia, the fear of water. But this name can be misleading. Victims are not simply afraid of water. They are often desperately thirsty. The problem lies in swallowing. As the disease damages the nervous system, attempts to drink can trigger painful spasms in the throat. Even seeing water may provoke panic and discomfort. A glass of water, a running faucet, a simple sip. Things most people never think about suddenly become extremely difficult. This symptom became so infamous that it shaped humanity's understanding of rabies for centuries. As brain inflammation worsens, symptoms become increasingly severe. The nervous system begins misfiring. Muscles twitch, movements become unpredictable. Hallucinations may occur, sounds become overwhelming, bright lights become painful. The world itself can begin to feel hostile. The victim's body and mind are gradually losing the ability to communicate normally. The virus has effectively hijacked the central command system of the human body. As the infection spreads, neurological damage becomes overwhelming. Paralysis may develop. Speech becomes increasingly difficult. Swallowing becomes nearly impossible. Breathing can become compromised. The body begins shutting down vital functions. By this point, the virus has spread throughout the nervous system. The damage is extensive. The brain can no longer properly regulate the body's most essential processes. Modern intensive care can sometimes provide support, but rabies remains one of the deadliest infectious diseases known to medicine once symptoms begin. Despite its terrifying reputation, rabies is also a disease that can often be prevented. This is what makes awareness so important. If someone is bitten or scratched by a potentially rabid animal, immediate medical treatment can stop the virus before symptoms develop. Vaccination after exposure has saved countless lives. The danger lies in waiting, because rabies is at its most vulnerable before symptoms appear. Once the nervous system becomes infected, the situation becomes far more serious. Rabies has haunted humanity for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations feared it. Medieval physicians feared it. Modern doctors still treat it with profound respect. Not because it is common, but because of what it can do. A microscopic virus, a single bite, a silent journey through the nervous system, and one of the most devastating neurological diseases ever discovered. The true horror of rabies is not found in folklore or legend. It is found in biology itself, and sometimes reality is more frightening than fiction.